Hello, people of Earth. I'm Dan Lockhart of the Valkyrie Dan Lockhart YouTube channel. We've been getting rain off and on today, which is a good thing. For the last week or so, we've been getting a little bit of rain. We've really needed it because of all the fires that we've had in Colorado. But this introduction is for my episode of the first leg on the Dinosaur Diamond Scenic Byway. Just starting at Loma, Colorado, and it's mostly not a whole lot of really scenic things to see in this one if you don't care for farms and ranches and things like that, but I do. I love riding by the farms and ranches in the U.S. Beautiful. But that's about what this one is, and in the next episode I will be getting into some more kind of mountainous terrain. But like I said, this was the beginning of the Dinosaur Diamond Scenic Byway. I had that ride planned all the way back, I think, into, what was it, like March or April time frame of this year. So this is the beginning of that. I hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Have a great day.
Dinosaur Diamond Scenic Byway. Length 134 miles, 486 miles, total Colorado and Utah. Driving time 2 to 3 days. Some of the world's most significant dinosaur fossil quarries and museums are clustered along this route, in the midst of a forbidding but stunningly beautiful landscape. The earth, fractured and stained, coughs up a rare collection of treasures. Ancient stone rises to the surface after eons underground. Skeletons buried 100 million years ago now bleach in the desert sun. The byway traverses high mountains and barren plateaus, with stops at 2 national parks, 2 national monuments, and 2 great rivers of the West, the Colorado and Green. This dramatic maze of rocks and bones defies the imagination. Dinosaur Diamond was designated by the U.S. Secretary of Transportation as a National Scenic Byway in 2002. It is one of 13 America's byways that are designated in Colorado.
National Scenic Byway. This federally designated National Scenic Byway winds through eastern Utah and western Colorado. Key attractions are dinosaur-related and including active quarries where you can watch paleontologists uncover fossils embedded in stone, backcountry sites where you can view dinosaur fossils and footprints, and museums which display fossils, replicas, and information about dinosaurs. Dinosaur National Monument, the Utah Field House of Natural History, the College of Eastern Utah Prehistoric Museum, and Cleveland Lloyd Dinosaur Quarry are all found in this area. In addition to dinosaur sites, the route provides access to 9 Mile Canyon and its intricate ancient Fremont Rock Art and other highly significant archaeological areas. Scenery is outstanding throughout this area. The Dinosaur Diamond Prehistoric Highway skirts Arches and Canyonlands National Parks, follows the Colorado River through deep canyons near Moab, and extends northward through Price and Vernal. It is an amazing drive. This region is famous for outdoor recreational opportunities. including camping, hiking, biking, whitewater river running, and off-road jeeping. The Slick Rock Bike Trail, located near Moab, draws mountain bike enthusiasts from around the world. The Colorado, Green, and Yampa Rivers offer famous whitewater rapids. Some sections of Canyonlands National Park can only be seen by people willing to travel by four-wheel drive into some of the most rugged country in the world.
Northwestern Colorado is characterized by a diverse landscape that includes red rock mesas, snow-capped mountain peaks, and the headwaters of the Colorado River. It is part of the larger western slope of Colorado, which is drained by the Colorado River and its tributaries, including the Gunnison and Green Rivers. The region borders Utah and Wyoming and encompasses several counties, including Garfield, Mesa, Moffett, Rio Blanco, and Routt. The Intermontane Basin, a smaller land area in the northwest corner of the state, features rolling forested hills, plateaus, and sagebrush. The area is known for its significant natural features, such as Dinosaur National Monument, which spans from northwestern Colorado into northeastern Utah, and is notable for its paleontological and scenic value, including rocky hills, canyons, arid desert, and stream beds. The Yampa River, which snakes approximately 250 miles across the region primarily through Routt and Moffett counties, is a key waterway in the area. The region also includes the Grand Mesa, a large flat-top desert mountain located southeast of Grand Junction. Northwestern Colorado is sparsely populated compared to other parts of the state and is recognized for its natural resource opportunities, quality of life, and abundant outdoor recreational activities.
The 2014 Honda Valkyrie features a 1832cc liquid-cooled, horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine with a bore and stroke of 74 mm, 71 mm, and a compression ratio of 9.8, producing 118 horsepower and 125 lb of torque. It is equipped with a 5-speed transmission, shaft final drive, and a 45 mm cartridge fork with 4.8 inches of front travel, paired with a Pro-Arm single-side swing arm and Pro-Link rear single shock with hydraulic spring preload and 4.1 inches of rear travel. The motorcycle has a wheelbase of 67.2 inches, a rake of 29 to 50 inches, and a trail of 114 millimeters, 4.5 inches, with a seat height of 28.8 inches and a curb weight of 750 pounds, 754 pounds for the ABS model. It uses 130 60R19 front and 180 55R17 rear tires with dual 300-nm front discs and a single 360-mm rear disc with anti-lock braking system, ABS, available as an option. The fuel capacity is 6.1 gallons and the estimated fuel economy is 35.4 miles per gallon with an estimated range of 212 miles.
Thank you for your interest in F6CForum.com, a forum community dedicated to Honda Valkyrie F6C owners and enthusiasts. Come join the discussion about performance, modifications, classifieds, troubleshooting, maintenance, and more. Who are we? F6CForum.com was started by a group of enthusiasts that shared a common passion for Honda Valkyrie F6C. Over the years, the site has grown, and today has over 3.9K members. More importantly, though, the users of the site have created over 31K posts of content, all related to Honda Valkyrie F6C. Who owns F6CForum.com? F6CForum.com is now owned by Vertical Scope, the leader in online forums. With over 800 forum communities, Vertical Scope provides the technology that powers the community. Our team of volunteer moderators and administrators watch over the content and actively patrol for spam, user behavioral issues, and make sure threads are in the right categories. Can I trust the information on F6CForum.com? The beauty of online forums is the information is peer vetted. Our members have read the content, commented, replied, and helped maintain active conversations around the accuracy of the content you might be reading. In addition, our team of moderators and administrators are looking out for fake news and shill posts from unauthorized sources.
The F6C Forum Map. A few things about the new map. This is Google Maps. It has a scrollable list legend on the left-hand side which links the forum members' handle to their map location. If two members have the exact same location, for example, at Jeepers and at Baldios, Perth, Western Australia, the lower number will show on the pinpoint, but all numbers rest on the pinpoint. Clicking on a pinpoint will show the actual location and the forum member's handle. The listing is sorted by the forum member's handle. Any new requests to be added to the map will work exactly like the former map. I think the map has been useful to learn where other riders may be close to you, so we'll try to keep it going.